Checking out my new Atari watch. This one is pretty cool. It has Pong, Breakout, Centipede, and Missile Command. A couple of different themes on the bands. My favorite is the wood grain console look. You've got the Centipede design. There's also a second band that comes along with it that has a pretty excellent Breakout and then a really cool Pong design. So you can go with whichever band you want, and then the watch itself has all kinds of cool features. You've got a couple of different screens, one screen for each of the games, but then you also get this awesome joystick and this cool just like design. Push the bottom button to get into the games, and it's a touch screen, so just touch screen everything. It's pretty simple to play. You can adjust the sensitivity of the joysticks or the buttons, I guess, and you can pause, you can adjust the volumes. It's a pretty nice smartphone. So we'll go ahead and we'll exit the game here and dig into the standard phone features here, which you can just access through the buttons. And you got a knob here, so this thing's pretty cool. Real easy to use, great graphics, great look, and a great price. Hope this helps.